Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Reddit app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Reddit app. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your username. Then tap on the logout icon. And if you're sure, tap logout once again. And this is how you can log out from Reddit app. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.